Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to overlook any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have benefited from a remarkable gain of 11.51% since we first designated Amazon as a buy candidate 39 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.30% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a narrow and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 21.3% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 16.99% to 22.54%. In terms of a longer perspective, our analysis over the next 12 months shows a projected change of around 14%. Our calculations suggest the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.40% to positive 28.21% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $199.98 and $292.68. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock price ended at $228.29 on Wednesday after gaining 0.36%. The Amazon stock price gained 0.36% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, rising from $227.47 to $228.29. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 0.749%, with a day low at $227.09 and a day high of $228.79. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.58% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 6 million shares, and in total, 28 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.34 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, and the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 5.87%, or $14.23, below the 52-week high, and 82.51%, or $1,076.91, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Recent developments surrounding Amazon or AMZN signal a promising outlook for the company, which could positively influence its stock price in both the short and long term. Firstly, Amazon is set to report its second quarter earnings on the 31st of July, and early indicators suggest it may exceed market expectations. The combination of strong U.S. retail sales, favorable foreign exchange rates, and increased demand for its artificial intelligence services through Amazon Web Services is likely to bolster investor confidence. This potential earnings beat could propel AMZN stock upward in the immediate future as investors react to the positive news. In another strategic move, Amazon has announced its acquisition of Bee, a company specializing in artificial intelligence-powered wearables. This purchase not only enhances Amazon's technological capabilities, but also aligns with growing consumer interest in AI applications, particularly within the health and wellness space. As Amazon integrates this technology, it could pave the way for new revenue streams and positively impact long-term growth prospects. Conversely, Amazon's recent decision to close its Shanghai AI research lab may raise eyebrows. However, this move shows a commitment to optimizing costs and refining operations, which is essential in a competitive landscape. Such cost-cutting measures are crucial for maintaining profitability and could stabilize the stock's performance amid market fluctuations. Additionally, the success of Amazon's Prime Day, generating record sales in a challenging economic environment, highlights its ability to adapt and thrive despite broader market challenges. This reinforces Amazon's competitive positioning against rivals in the retail space, which is vital for sustaining long-term growth. In summary, these developments collectively suggest a bullish trajectory for Amazon stock, energized by potential earnings surprises and strategic acquisitions, while also demonstrating a focus on cost effectiveness that could enhance operational efficiency. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Currently, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 0.44%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Despite this, Amazon stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support can be expected at the levels of $226.37 and $218.29. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 57 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is generally traded at a solid volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.70, or approximately 0.749% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.31%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $229.30. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 7,345,902 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 98.138. In total, insiders purchased 198,735 shares and sold 22,102,510 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $220.62, representing a decrease of 3.36%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, indicating a lower risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of July, we expect Amazon to open lower by approximately 23 cents, starting at $228.06. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.